Find the exact value of each. Given sine theta is equal to -4/5, where theta lies between 540 degrees and 630 degrees. Right? It is between those two. And what is the value of sine2 theta? That is the question. We are looking for sine2 theta equal how much, and in the next problem they gave the cosine, and we have to find the value of sine2 theta. Okay, let me show you this problem here. Angle 540 degrees means it is like if I make one complete circle here in this four quadrants, I'll complete 360, right? Again it starts at 360 plus 90, that's 450 plus 90 plus 90, like that. So 540 is nothing but, take away 360, 540 minus 360 is how much? 180. It is 180 degrees is less than or equal to theta is less than how much? 630 degrees. Again take away 360, that will give you 270. We'll just verify in a second. Let me see. It is how much? 540 minus 360 is equal to 180. Same way, 630 minus 360 is equal to 270. Yeah, it is. Now, where is this 180 to 270? We know that this is up to 90, then 180, third quadrant. So, you are in the third quadrant. That's the reason the sign value is negative, like all silver teacups. All the ratios are positive in the first quadrant. Only the sine is positive in the second quadrant. In the third quadrant, tangent is positive, and here in the fourth we have cosine. So now we are in the third quadrant, sine is negative, and they gave us -4/5. So let me draw one line that is hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular, that is the angle theta we have. Sine, you know that it is opposite side over hypotenuse. So my opposite side is how much? It is 4, and it's a -4 in fact, and the hypotenuse is 5. So what is the next step? In this right triangle I have two sides. A side and a hypotenuse is known, and I can easily find the third side by making use of the Pythagorean theorem. A square plus b square is equal to c square. So 4 square plus b square is 5 square, that is 16, plus b square is 25. Now remove that 16, or subtracting 16 from 25, you got b square is equal to 9, right? That subtraction, you know, that gives you b is equal to plus or minus 3, and here it is negative side, so I'll write down -3, right? It is on the negative side of x-axis, so I got -3, and that is -4 you have. Now you are looking for sine2 theta. So what is the formula for sine2 theta from the double angles? You know that sine2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta times cosine theta, right? So 2 times my sine is how much? The sine value -4/5 you already have, times cosine theta. The value of cosine theta from here, adjacent side over hypotenuse. My adjacent side is negative 3 and the hypotenuse is 5. We know that sine, cosine values, right? So cut over. Okay, multiply. 2 times 4 is 8 with the negative 8 times negative 3 is positive 24, and in the denominator I have only 5 and 5. 5 times 5, 25. Please do not multiply this 2 with the denominators. 2 by itself means it is this way, 2 over 1. So numerators multiplied and denominators multiplied, or else directly use your calculator, you'll get this answer. Okay, right. Now you can do this part by going to the second quadrant and simplifying. Okay, right.